Where should I set my stop loss on Disney, McDonald's, RH?
You should have already been stopped out on these things.
Yeah.
I mean, stopped out on Disney and anything. I mean, it's when I said that I would recommend prayer if we go through 2027 in the S&P, I wasn't like kidding. I mean, I don't. We are in a territory now. This is the problem. How are we going to get a real bounce? Obviously, we're going to get a real bounce. We're going to get one if I say that 10 more times, by the way, because another 100 of you are going to sell at the same time. There's going to be a bounce. There's going to be multiple bounces. There were multiple bounces in 08. And people are like, oh, it's not 08. You know what? It's not 08. It might be worse. Because now we can go through that if you want. Looks nothing like 08. In fact, it looks a lot like 2015, which is very different than 08. On many levels. Global asset bubble, maybe 600 rate cuts globally. Anyone? China, opacity, Europe. So your stops, on any position. Like, am I happy that McDonald's went through what I would have called my stop? No. Am I going to puke it today? I don't have to. I'll put it in my son's grandson's case and say that I like Apple long term. How useful is that? Useless. It's useless.